Welcome to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens. Today we had a customer come in with a 2014 Toyota Rav4 with 60,000 miles. The car had a check engine light with the code P0446 Evaporative Emission system vent control circuit malfunction. That code indicates that there's something wrong with the Evap system. The Evap system takes fuel vapors from your gas tank through a series of tubes to the front of the engine where it can get burned in the cylinders instead of being vented to the atmosphere. That prevents those fuel vapors from polluting the air. In this instance, we started our diagnosis by checking for leaks in the Evap system. Usually the lines or something is leaking, and that's what causes the check engine light. Then we found that the actual leak was coming from where the fuel pump is bolted to the gas tank. So we pulled on the gas tank to look further. We proceeded to remove the gas tank from the vehicle and lightly pressurize it. Once the gas tank is lightly pressurized, we can use soapy water to pinpoint the exact location as to where it's leaking from. As you can see here, bubbles are forming all along the perimeter as to where the fuel pump meets the gas tank and seals. So something is up with the sealing surface here between the fuel pump and the gas tank. You can see all the bubbles showing the air escaping from the gas tank being lightly pressurized. Not only that, but you also notice that the actual seal itself is actually all pretty rusty, which shows us that there could have been some kind of failure or some kind of breach causing the air to escape. To our surprise, once we removed the fuel pump seals, we found that it wasn't the seals that had failed since the car's fairly low mileage at 60,000 miles, but the actual fuel pump housing had cracked, causing the fuel vapors to leak out, setting off the check engine light for the Evap code. We proceeded to replace the fuel pump and seals. With a new fuel pump and seals, we were able to put the gas tank back in its place, clear the check engine light, and then check to make sure that the check engine light issue was solved. If you have a European, Asian, or domestic vehicle with a check engine light in need of diagnosing or car maintenance, feel free to reach out to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens.